Live effects are bitmap effects that can be applied to any object, whether they are vector or bitmap objects. Typically, by bitmap effect we mean Adobe Photoshop plugins. Here are some examples of the variety of different effects that you can achieve with both a vector drawing and a bitmap, using just a few popular plugins. They are called live effects because the object remains completely editable even after one of these effects is applied, so long as you are using a modern scriptable Photoshop plugin. So, for example, if I create a really simple shape, I can show you how to apply one of the many bundled plugins as a live effect. Click on the Live Effect tool, then click the New button. Then select one of the plugins from this list. I'm going to use the Redfield JAMA 3D effect. Click OK. Now I have a shape with the raised crisscross effect, and more importantly, I can still edit the shape, and the effect is reapplied. If you don't actually want the effect to be live, then you can lock it here. Now if I edit the shape, for example resize like this, the effect is not reapplied. You might want to lock this, for example, if you are passing your file to another person who does not have this plugin installed. If you don't like the effect, click here to delete it, or here to delete all effects if more than one has been applied. You can add your own plugins by clicking on the Setup button here. Click on Setup and browse to the folder on your computer with the plugins. Note that the old type non-scriptable Photoshop plugins are supported, but they will always be locked and not live.